Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another withdrawal proof of the website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free earning website. Okay, this is the website. This website name is dogemate. This website pay me much more time and much more cryptocurrency. You can see my withdrawal story. This website pay 100% and 100% free website. And this is the all story. This website pay me. You can see this is the all payment I receive from this website. You can see the much more Litecoin I receive from this website, least much more, and you can receive much more Litecoin if you want. You can instantly pay in your Coinbase or Faucetpay. Okay, and right now I want to withdraw new funds. Go to withdrawal. Okay, and come down. This is a Litecoin. If you want to withdraw like a Litecoin, I want to withdraw like a Litecoin, just I click withdraw now. Okay, you want to withdraw in Faucetpay, just click Faucetpay, put your Gmail address of the Faucetpay, just you click withdraw and you receive the amount. Okay, this much this website pay you, no fees, and this website cut from the withdrawal. Okay, and you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay. I go to my Faucetpay, reload the page again, show you this website pay me 100%. Okay, and I come down. Okay, you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Bye bye.